When installing conductive vinyl tiles, having the right accessories is crucial for ensuring proper installation and performance. Here are some essential accessories you may need. Conductive adhesive, used to maintain the ESD properties of the floor, ensuring that the static charge is dissipated effectively. Copper foil, a conductive material used to create electrical connections within antistatic flooring systems. Often laid beneath the flooring tiles to enhance grounding and dissipate static charges. Welding rod, a thermoplastic material used to weld seams between ESD PVC tiles. Used during the installation process to fuse the edges of adjacent tiles, creating a seamless, durable surface. Ensures that the tiles are securely bonded together, minimizing the risk of gaps that could lead to static charge buildup. ESD waxing, use specialized anti-static wax to evenly apply wax. ESD waxing helps to protect it and maintain it for a longer usage time. Meanwhile, after waxing, the scratches will be very minor, hardly noticeable. Having these essential accessories on hand will help ensure a successful installation of your ESD flooring, providing effective protection against electrostatic discharge.